Hey guys, I'm flying. We're driving down. Start again. Because I could cut it.
Hold on, I have a double chin. We're live, baby. Oh
so we're driving down to Eugene.
Skirt.
To pick up the plane.
I can't take it.
And I'm gonna teach my wife or show her how to operate the jet, see how much she can absorb out of all that.
How much? All you can see is my cold sore, babe. Pow.
Really?
The cold sore is a paid actor.
Where's my jewel?
Dude.
Where is it?
Oh, it's between my legs.
Keeping it warm.
Yeah.
Smoking.
Yeah.
Why are you like? Why do you look at me while I'm talking? It should be a fun flight. Again, about 20 minutes, and we'll talk to you guys from Eugene Airport.
Bye, guys.
Nav, beacon, and let's start engine number 1.
Showtime, guys.
Rotation. I got the ignition light. Oil pressure, I got fan, fuel flow, watching ITT. Anything over 500, we kill it. Watching ITT. Watching ITT. Okay, that's a good start.
Okay, let's roll forward just a little bit to get out of there. There. 794 is cleared to Las Vegas to Eugene 1, then it's out to 9,000, 370 in 5 minutes. Speed brakes. Number 2 Juliet Mike, sorry for the delay, there's an Aviation inbound. Eugene Tower, good morning, Citation 70 Charlie Golf, holding short 16 left, ready for departure. Citation 70 Charlie Golf, Eugene Tower, wind 3603, runway 16 left, let's take off. 16 left, clear for takeoff, 70 Charlie Golf. Lights, ignition, timer, pitot, anti-collision. Here's 16 left, finals clear, so the checklist. Parking brakes are off. Landing lights I got, ignition's on, pitot static and anti-collision. Annunciator panel's clear, and I see 16 left. You guys ready to go?
Yes, we are. A little nervous, but it's okay.
Courier track 379 traffic departing prior to your arrival. Citation. Okay, takeoff power is set. I see 2 good engines. Airspeed's alive. 80 knots, cross check. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. V2 plus 10, flaps up. Citation 0 Charlie Golf, contact Cascade departure. Contact departure 70 Charlie Golf. Departure, good morning, Citation 70 Charlie Golf, 1,500, climbing 9,000. Citation 70 Charlie Golf, Cascade departure, radar contact, turn left heading 050. 050, 70 Charlie Golf. November 54 Tango Squawk 4770. 4770. Okay, flaps and gear are up. Engine is as required. I don't need it. Altitude hold it 7, armed. Roger, and enter the light downwind runway 16 right. And throttles have been reduced. That's going to be a ignition, landing light, yaw damper, engine sync. And Cessna 032 under change runway 16 left and enter the left downwind for runway 16 left. We'll take left downwind for runway left. So we're down to 4,000, we're armed, so when this light turns on here, when this light is orange and says armed, that means the autopilot will stay at 4,000. We'll hold it. If this wasn't on like that, it's going to keep, it'll go right through 4,000 and hit the ground. Citation 70 Charlie Golf, 6 miles from Nike, cross Nike 4,000, cleared on out, runway 31 left approach. Nike 4,000 cleared on F 31 left 70 Charlie Golf. So we're going to follow this, we're going to turn left at Nike and go to Intel. Nike, Intel.
Oh, look at it, they're actually talking about Nike.
Okay, gonna get the free shoes over here?
Yeah. I'll wear them on the plane right next.
Hey, I'm wearing Nikes.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm wearing Puma, so I'm not allowed to go to Nike.
Turn it around. I heard a beep.
Yeah, that's 1,000 feet to go. We're at 5,000, now it's 4,000. And we're armed.
Locked and loaded, baby.
We're gonna reduce more power because we're pretty quick. We're pretty fast right now, but that's okay. Tower Citation 70 Charlie Golf, RNAV 3 on left. 70 Charlie Golf, so it's Road Tower. Hello, welcome in number 2 following a Cessna on the approach end downwind. Runway 31 left, clear to land, car Shuey Turbulence, Gulfstream, departure. Okay, 31 left, clear to land. Thank you for that, 70 Charlie Golf. Number 0 Charlie Golf, you are now number 1. Cessna's gonna make a spin and then follow. Okay, let's do gear down. We set 1, 2,500, about 6 miles to the south, inbound, full cover. Number 48521, Hillsborough Tower, roger, maintain out above 1,700, traffic ahead and to right. Off the autopilot. About a half a mile, descending through 1,400, go to a 5 mile straight in. Okay, so gear down, 3 green, no red. This approach altitude set, brakes, test, flaps to go, and decision altitude review, not applicable to us really. Having fun? Why? Really?
Yeah.
You'd rather be in the back, huh?
No, I don't like the car.
Number 2.
I'm raw dogging it, you know what I mean?
You're not what?
I'm raw dogging it.
Why? How
No
so?
champagne today for me.
Oh, the champagne, the champagne. The 521, you'll be number 3 following a Cessna and the left down at 1,200. Report site when able, they're just over TV Highway. Number 3, I'll be looking for that traffic and then around 45 This is our tower helicopter 575 Tango. 575 Tango, stand by control. Is that recording? Helicopter 575 Tango is requesting VFR. You know, there'll be punishment if it's not. Okay, we're 1,000 ATL, full flaps. There it is. And about 60% N1 should do it. The sun is cooking the ground and we're getting these thermals
Okay, I was
up and
gonna
down.
ask you, what the fuck was
No,
that?
it's not a deal. It's just not a deal.
NBD.
Alright, short final check. 3 green, no red. Clear to land, lights are on, and flaps on land and indicating. We'll follow the citation 56.
Specify 21, your traffic to forward on a 2.5 mile west base.
I'm for that traffic, 4851.
Or 520, you can start your descent.
Oh my god!
Okay, short final, 3 green, no red.
Requesting VFR transition to the north. We're at 2,200 feet and 5 miles to the south.
75 Tango Roger, maintain at above 1,700, altimeter 3003.
Maintain at or above 1,700, altimeter 3003.
Silver Tower, Skyhawk 4203 Papa is 10 miles to the north, inbound, full stop with Foxtrot.
4303 Papa Hill, turn right down on runway 31 miles.
Oh, you're just doing that for everybody that's used to you clapping. Now they get to see you doing it.
I always clap.
Always.
That was awesome, babe.
Thank you.
Oops, I just hit the phone.
Alpha 570 Charlie Golf. Just squish it. That's it.
That's how it was in the flight.
You didn't squish it?
I didn't put it hard enough, I guess.
You gotta squish it hard, man.
You gotta squish it hard
That's
sometimes.
the secret.
That's the way to do it.
Okay to tow.
Totally.
Let's get that good smell going here.
Oh yeah, my favorite perfume.
You smell it?
Definitely.
Oh, oh yes.
Not my
yes.
favorite.
Yes.
Smells like acetone and fuel.
That's what I love. I would marry acetone if I could.
Pretty sure you can marry anything
Oh my god.
these days.
Yeah, you can't marry anything these days. Ground Gavin Jet 902. Okay, enough playing around. Aviation. Enough playing around with the thrust reversers. It's not a toy. That is not a toy. Sir, Gavin Jet 902. Avionics off. Thank you.
Inverters off, engines. You want to kill the engine?
Nope.
Nope. Off. Watching ITT.
That's what's up. I know how to use the seatbelt now. Not like last time.
I know, you're a freaking professional. So how was it?
Woo! It was a little nerve-wracking, a little bit.
Really?
Not
You
much.
need alcohol?
No, I don't need it, but you
should
know.
have drank at the shop.
No, it's too early. We have stuff to do today, you know.
Okay.
We got a busy day.
Alright, can you say bye?
Bye, YouTube. See you next time. I'm on a crack. Okay, so new car. Who's this? Still the same people. What's up?
Okay, so we're back driving home, dropped off the plane at the FBO.
Yes, we did.
So, yeah, that was a busy flight, no?
It's crazy. That's why I clap for pilots all the time. Because, like, you guys have so much going on. You have your headset on. You have a little chatter. Everything in your ear nonstop. And then while you're taking off, you're holding the freaking throttle, right? You hold the
yoke?
Yeah. You're holding the yoke. And then while... No!
Okay, so we're back. We dropped off the plane, heading home.
Yes, we are.
And you seemed a little nervous on this flight, no?
I was a little nervous for sure. I usually like to have a glass of champagne for my flights, but of course I don't sit in the cockpit when I have that. I'm a passenger. And it's too early and we have too much stuff to do today. We have to watch our son. Gotta be...
I need to check to see if...
gotta be, what's that word? Responsible.
Responsible.
Exactly.
Yeah. I need to check to see if it's legal to have alcohol.
No, I
in the
wouldn't do it
cockpit.
anyway. No, I would feel way uncomfortable. Like, I feel like I can't move there. I'm like scared to touch anything. No way, dude.
But
No
that
way.
was a busy flight all the way up to 20,000
Oh
feet. I
my-
was talking the whole time.
Dude, that was so busy. I was sitting there thinking, I was like, that's why people need to clap for pilots. That's why I clap for pilots. Everybody gives me a hard time about it and think that I'm cheesy. It's like, whatever. You try being a pilot and then let me know if you want people to clap for you or not, okay? But yeah, I was thinking about that because you guys are wearing the headsets, and in the headsets, it's non-stop talking. ATC is just talking.
They're talking fast, huh?
Everybody's talking. Oh my gosh. And then when you're taking off and you're holding the yoke to take off, while you're doing that, the other person, ATC, is like, okay, now do whatever. And then while you're holding the yoke, you have to move your hand to respond back to them, and then you have to go twist something. It's like crazy.
What am I twisting?
I don't know.
It's like a titty twister. New altitude, titty twister.
Yeah, whatever. But it's crazy because it's like, seriously, babe, honestly, it's like, how do you, like, the yoke is so fragile.
No, it's not fragile.
It's like very, like, sensitive to movements.
Yeah, a little bit.
Very. And then you have to, like, listen while you're taking off, in like the most busiest time. While you're taking off, you have to do all this, and you still hear so much stuff.
So it's
I don't
bumpy.
know.
You don't like the bumps. Usually we have much bigger bumps, and you don't even like.
Usually I'm a little tipsy.
Are you ever not tipsy when we're on the plane?
Yeah, a lot of times actually. But you know, it's not if I just have my glass, I'm like I feel better, just like because I know.
Like confidence.
Yeah, because
like
I know.
by holding it, you're
if
like a new
goes down, I'm
confident woman.
chugging, and I'm gone. Whatever happens, happens. I'm not there. Bye bye.
Oh shit. Yeah, get down here, girl. Oh my god. Dude, let me just hold it. That's how I did the other video. It'll never stay. Oh shit. Like this. It needs to be like this.
Oh, like that. Oh, we're going. Oh, we're recording. My camera's shaking.
That's okay. I think the editor is gonna. I can unshake.
Oh, the editor. Oh, okay, good.
Adobe Premiere Pro.
That's what's up.
They're paying me a lot of money to make this video.
To mention Adobe.
To mention it. Yeah,
Adobe.
I just got really rich.
Yeah. Okay. I would like a profit. Thank you.
Oh, would you?
Yeah, I'm in the video now.
Okay, so we're picking up the plane from
Oh
So
my
we're
God.
driving down to Eugene.
Skirt, skirt.
You know, like in a jet, parabola is the most efficient way to get somewhere.
It's a parabola. The code store is a paid actor.
So you're saying I have to pay you to be on this video and the cold sore?
Yeah, the cold sore is its own species.
Okay, I'm gonna need the social security number.
I can give that to you.
For the cold sore.
It's taking up a
And
lot
I'm
of
gonna
space.
need a 1099 form from the cold sore, and I needed to sign it.
So what do you think about my setup?
That's genius. I wouldn't have come up with this.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you should have been an engineer.
I know, I'm pretty good at stuff like this.
Yeah, you are. You are. No wonder Julian is like so mechanically savvy.
I'm pretty
both me and you.
innovative. Is that the word?
Innovative?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the word.
Yeah,
it's a perfect word.
It's a good word. Yeah.
Now, can you spell it? Innovative?
You know what? The English is not my first language, so you know.
It's no excuse.
Whatever. It's an excuse. It's a good one too. That's the truth, actually. Isn't it hard not to look at yourself?
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Especially when you have a cold sore like that.
Yeah, and you know, I gotta redo this whole video because I got it stuck in my stomach.
No, you look good. Don't.
What?
Leave that in there. Every time I say don't leave that in there, you do. He can't be trusted.
I'm pretty much gonna just leave the most embarrassing parts in there. And I'm not gonna publish anything serious that worked out.
Oh, we're just gonna publish the funny stuff?
Just the bloopers, man. It's gonna be all bloopers. Blooper.
I need to be careful what I say because I know your ass and you will post something that shouldn't be in here.
Exactly, but you can't help yourself.
Diarrhea of the mouth, baby. Action, baby.
So those who want to know why my anti-ice, for those who want to, okay, so I was in Eugene.
Blurry.
What the fuck? We got to turn that on anytime we think there'll be any, basically we have to turn that on every time we think there will be, why do you look at me while I'm talking?
Oh.